and then so da foforo ye mo akwa aba se wagibre na wo hwe da video yi ye mo bi akwa aba emfambra ben active so enti ya mo akwa aba ya yagibre di na eze ye football ho nkomo ne ba bedi and nyoma ekos wo krum ha no se film kakra so wacha ase enti eno ho nkomo ne ba bedi and so ewa ha ene nyoma mienu a yedi ho nkomo pa no Kumasi Asante Kotoko coach nsema wade tuja because empanifo afa no omo se omo bo CAF Communities Cup last year na emom this year omo ko bo Champions League omo ko fa coach obetima bo na waje but ono buy no free mu no wase Kotoko level any Communities Cup ye be di ho nkomo na afin so coach Ibrahim Grant say onya Blasters no betan coach and da bia meka say bia ye ni coach Blasters ye ni coach enu nti no beto sama back no be coach yem Blasters team no nti na ho nkomo ene nemum se on subscribe to the channel make sure so be subscribe o subscribe we pe no wa notification bell on so se de be ya upload de be bia won so ubenya bia hwene minimi nua Benjamin Osuantwi the Crusader Sports Crusader na ne e twe nkomo enso ewa ha minua me wa kwa aba
o mejo so Ricardo adum ti bibia e fan ye ho ye pa wa hwe the way smiles no way nimu na chiro se bibia e fan and like you rightly indicated we are on a crusade anunti Crusader no we are on a crusade to save Ghana football and Ghana sports. Eti no mamen kan we say ye kan bibia un say sometimes o ka say we are na amanfo bi aties wachi na o mu didu atem na ye cassette ya but eno de emoye hu eno ya de ba kwa me maka say we have chosen hope over fear. Enti na sometimes obi ono ma ohun abontin say ya me tebo kasa na me kasa pani bi o pani bi ani tiri ho dwene bi da bi so wotina chire na wo hwe niam ekoso wo ye game ni mu no ene kane bi na ye wa chire no niam na ekoso ye game no na de toto ene anamontu bi empanimfo bi num etu o football ni ma na ema hu se ye sports no aba from enti die na ye betimi ayama ye sports na sa peja enu nti ne ye sore a ye kasa na nyese ye tan obi enyese bi a ye mpa obi asem nti na ye kasa na agwa ye se ene kromanum no o kasa ne apata ade bi ne de ahye we were party we nipa we were support team we yen die sa ne ma no emoye hu. That is why we are on a crusade, and the crusade is that we will save Ghana sports. Binma ba baby called the freedom fighters no omayebi this time around we are on a crusade, and the crusade ni say ye be save Ghana sports enu nti no de wusuro so obeka ne ye beka ye nsuro bia ye beka say ye no kura nko ade a ye mohu ye beka se de be ya ye football no e betumpon na akọ nanim ti da bia mekan maka cho say eye for the love of the game e ya agro no hu don't ya o Ricardo enye se bia ye num na ye de ene sore ane ye kasa na emum no e ya agro no hu don't ni ye kasa nti e bekoso ni akasa ni asom Ghana man ye nim se debi no omo be kae hu se yes boys bi sore ya omo amfa hu an show mumu omo sore e be ye sports no eye ni ye nti we are on a crusade and we will save Ghana sports.
Na say we eye ntete ho no ye nya kra nko main issues ni so what you say and ye be save Ghana football no because e bia be ye biko and yes ye bere ni say yes ye save Ghana football nti ye try say ya na ye nsem amanfo through so meka na ye be ka na amanfo nso hu say no ma AC ko nti the Crusader and ye starting one na me started the free ye Kumasi Asante Kotoko won say Kotoko ball game na ye na ye nim say o ma hye etoa wo ha ne de na omudoma ni chirimu Tunisia na no ye nya credit betima nya score le betima ma Kotoko qualify but amanesa and where performance Kotoko give ya enswani ebi kan referee assembly in SMP but aside penalty na referee ne gitia Kotoko na betima ka say wa na obetima fa ho na do person de two penalty no so bia di bia person de two so bia wo de ato but Kotoko and live to expectation ball no ko ball no na enswani and sign reaction to the game na nkasa na ye saying
well Ricardo say who hwe game no ene niema na nka Kotoko kom ni expect say ye behu de free Asante Kotoko team no honestly speaking ye hu na nka ye pese ye behu a game a nka Kotoko be kwa put up a fight even if they are on the losing side who lose mpa ka obeye bibi a kire say indeed mo buy na mo ba be kon ye players no antimi anye saade na amayen and me blame players ni bebre me ba honom the reasons Kotoko di lusu ye ne be ba ni nyina mu this is the initial reaction. Me blame players ni bebree. Same way me blame coach ni nso bebree. Na mmom no majority of the blame no me dey call the doorstep of management. Players no, I'm not absolving them from the blame. Omo bejo omo fair share of it. But kese na de ebekọ e de ama management me nim say ya sha ase ya na enwura mu ne enko straighter.
Dentia meye din a metie ne say Yakobo football no management so my bibia so my because say we say bonus o metia aduan papa amokọ amobedi wo hotels no me so me din na agu akwan mako dina field ne so mu players ni coaches no mo de na akasa mbaye na team qualify o man timi anya sa ma team na qualify but o say blame na akasa na kwa management didn't na blame na kwa management no
Ricardo the woman was saying na yeti ase ne say it is not always about sika. It is not always about the extrinsic motivation no the be free abontin beba no. Sometimes the intrinsic motivation is here, and with all the intrinsic motivation now one kasa wa motivate one cycle hu ni na wie no. One thing and so ebeba to bear ebeba to the fore the quality of the players no, the quality of your team omo a odi omo kosa no, how strong are they omo ahoden te sen ubetimi ahye team ni nyina momo all the sika memeti asesi a menya sure say o ma misika we wi ase nyina say me ne Anthony Joshua na me ne nkoko a metimi ne Joshua akon da bi wan hwe ye bekume ya ma misika pa o but wan hwe ya ya de me fu na beba because ahoden no mentimi ne Joshua anko. It is not about mema osika there was here who say me on the side of management na ma sha ase America cho no football any see e kwa winning tournament and yes Shatawale event away organize o Heroes Park and I see Ghana Music Awards the Accra International Conference Center na ma sorry me Kobe and ma sorry aka say oh me Africa we be go efe ma me nko fa nche me coach be go efe me nko fa nche there be we project and a wo kwa akoye you need preparation in start Jenny ni duru ha yenko to players mra ne yenko fa coach bi mra ne yenka mom ne yenko there be o sha ase free baby no abuild ho ana de akọ eventually watimi akọ and from last year at the Urban it was under this same management led by Uncle George Amuako and amokama ye nyina yete se kotoko bebo the Confederations Cup wa bra ne nyina akọ meeting se nya de a Ghana ye the representative beko mokama yete asese kotoko beko Confederations Cup no because I was some common players no exposure na mo experience na yenko build from there, of which it was a fantastic idea. You know, support here. Mukoye no, the exposure ni by, the experience ni by. In the first attempt, Kotoko failure, or want me progressive from the group. Even the year can say a year failure, no say all the to the previous years. From 2009, the last time I Kotoko ran into the group stages of the Confederations Cup now. I didn't see a Benya Kotoko say, oh, Rema Kwako the group stages of the Confederations Cup and answer the Champions League. Any competition be about Africa. It's not a step up. Still, we are now say what me run to the group stages of the Confederations Cup. Again, I was all you build on your success now, Chucky, now they are cool name, and in doing so, you had a coach. Mama Eti said, on yet up to the standard of the Champions League. You main competition about Krum Hanum. I said the NC tier 1 and tier 2 no. Tier 1 no Kotoko etimi ewuram ekoko je. Tier 2 and also so you say Kotoko eboya to the semi-finals and sana Ashanti go there show my you my free. And na bibia e there the coach he was on course all year juma. Mu wie ya no dem qualify say yenko wuram na management dey by na mo say baby aye ko no de so. Enti no ye hia say you upgrade your technical area. Unti yama coach no kwatena se yama Zacharias Mra emefa team ne mfanko. Enti se umma mesa assurance ne se Zacharias ne ebefa team ne dia. Na no kirem se Zacharias eye coach a or that knowledge no or that expertise no. So betimi lead to the next level. Enti anything short of that it is not acceptable. Yenye nuntum na se coach no model more former. I will not blame the coach. I will blame who are where the appointing authority no.
I don't know how my blame coach Sika kono kakra because I can so me technical director because I say upgrade ɛwɔ CAF Communities Cup nti ɔmo kɔfa coach bi bɛyɛ no ɔmo bɛ technical director sɛ wuti ɔmo nsɛm ni mi ɔmo sɛ ɔmo ampam no ɔmo kaa sɛ ɔmo bɛ technical director sɛ dɛ bi ɔmo mienu bɛka ɔmo adenya paa ho na ɛsɛ ɔmo atimi team no ɛnso abɔ CAF Champions League no nti wɔ abura coach na ama no coach sika kono anye daru na ntum no yɛn bilimu ɔno so kakra
me say we have it on tape ebi ana amanfo bi enya nti but me tie koka nsɛm a ɔkan sɛ sika kono the level na yɛpɛsi eduru no sika kono enye the man or what that expertise no to manage the team in the Champions League. Me say obi a onye fit to enough to be on the bench or you fit to be a technical director. No. Enti se obefa technical director, they na unko fa technical director Emre CK ni mom. Na o si CK na unko technical director. Na say who coaching area honom no, who weekend ho. If that is the wo kan dey a ma the owo form since CK magina technical area honom na CK nkot na soro honom of which ye bomb match technical director on my bench honom. Enti na the wo kan yan say CK nya fit enough to be on the bench. And away in a free honom to will be fit enough. And I'd never begin honom. On the side of the players, what say players no exposure and they kwa come on no manya experience no. Ye mu say who say Ricardo. Players na come on exposure and ye wie no. Dodo was saying ne o maka okotoko team nim. Dodo was saying o maka o mu ebo bie. Where is the consistency? Where is the continuity? Because se obekwa akwaji bibia na me go anu say asem so na me ka cho say a project. And yes, o share project na se ana atu otina ma na ntu ye o share se free baby na wo building kakra and ne ye bo Real Madrid din se ukọ Europa no team na in terms of the Champions League wajia say defend it. Madrid ababe in this modern era defending on 3 occasions. Madrid and ansha say no edrumre bi said ye kotoko akọ off Madrid call off after so omoji 2002 Champions League no Mekai Zidane volley be your body to net the man woman. Every one of you who say Madrid echo off. In between Madrid echo a lot of players, a lot of coaches. Amuto the Amren near friend the Real Galactico era no. Madrid air bobola, only some more former world best Bemi and Sano Mujinem, Zinedine Zidane, or Figo, or Ronaldo, the phenomenon. Yes. At a point in time, Ecofa the world best defender in Cannavaro nearby. But ne niema nko ye dru ba bi na Madrid hu say eniema mfama ya pe quick fix na enye ye enti yenye den yempe coach obema long term project ena omunya president bi a ye fen Florentino Perez no odika aba be ye biko ena osa bae obae na no the strategy was that let's get Ronaldo Cristiano, let's get Abrante FM Ricardo Kaka yemfa ne mra Yankofa Chabi Alonso Fanemra, Yankofa Raul Abion Fanemra, Yankofa Avaro Abeloa, Yankofa Benzema Fanemra. Nian form me start project no. Project nyase ya sha ase 2 yo. Ye wie na the first season, eniema nkoye, Madrid de free at the quarter final stage of the Champions League against Lyon. And omu free. Omu free we omu the second in the league no msi derby. Yankofa coach bi obetimi adai. Atwa a project no so mra na omu kofa Jose Mourinho bae. Jose Mourinho bae no in the Champions League who say obuildi bibi e sha said you board the semi-finals etimi be G League ne yeden e de ma omu to mu say no Jose Mourinho aye adu baby yenkwa yanim ene ekofa Carlo Ancelotti bae Ancelotti ni yenim ne dwuma no waye wo AC Milan so de omage the Champions League no on 2 occasions nti emfa Ancelotti mra Ancelotti bae na de omage Champions League on a project and why den waye and na Jurgen Klopp team a ye boni din Liverpool unse wanye wholesale changes obaye now obaye na mre bebre wo team nim players bebre wo ma na nei omonya fit so bebo Liverpool but a gradual kakra na wo to bi wuram as management last season wo Confederations Cup wo to 13 players wo wie ye na wo say Champions League was out of 13 players of which a munson abe status team ben proper team ben yes sir proper team ben aga so omo yes sir untimi build it na at the end of the day after just a season no adwiri foundation ni nyina agu no asa foundation once am build the foundation ni foundation na adwiri gu ye na no on prapra se mortar ni ade kura mfiri so wo se me say to blog ato aso otu duru soro ebebu enti na ebu no ama kotoko ebe fie no enti we ye mra also management na betena se no mo take a sober reflection of omadwuma omaye for Asante Kotoko no mu hunu se indeed nanke ye wo pepa se ye beboa team no na momadwuma aye ne de entimi amoa dan say ye be sha ase ne ye be ten ne hu ne ye blame coach ne ye blame players no sa ne ma ne de meme nsoso so on the day nanka coach no ebetimi aye bibi e de afa na dwuma na oye ye ne ho say players no nke bia wo ko an away game there wo advantage e di frifie na e ko ntino unko biemu bebre unko se me kwa kwa attack nko ye me masem o tina chire kakra ntina in boxing kra no e se du ba bia na obi clinch na on sa no Mayweather defensive tactics or ball kakra no on no aso mu kakra sa coach ni koi okobiem e na omo boy na defeat na day aba this is not the time to start the blame game. Enisa management ne sha se press panic button ye me pam coach ne sa ne ma no emoa players no so omo so de kakra wo mu nie Ricardo na e was players no ehunu shirt na e hye wo mu no if the coach no kra na decide say I am going all out na say wo ye a player wo see a kind man Asante Kotoko at this level wo say club na obo no na wotimi appreciate say club no it is a historical club. Amanfo bia be bi ko. Da bia Kotoko nyom no say wo ba ye bom panimfo bi din, ye bom fun mudin, ye boss e kofi mudin, Karim Zito na no ye ne kasa on Metro FM. O say ono Karim Zito abokotoko atwem but no da so this one fast wo because oba no bobo ni ye. So this was the perfect time for this generation of Kotoko players ne say enka omo emfa enye bibi emma omo ho. But it all boils down to the quality a team nim. And then no also management no appreciate no mu say your quality no e from enti yen raise supporters expectations bebre. To say the baby e dey to ye no. To me the majority of the blame ni nyina no e call to the doorstep of the management. Obi be ka say omo mobo but ma kire kwan a enka omo nso betimi aye because preparation no e sha say free off the field and san ye dia field ne so nya field ne so nko an ye bobo no ye born in chen kran san ye aba field ne so eti so hwe Fantino Perez madwuma o ma hyehye na o hyehye ne nchen no de ama coach no de aba field ne so tim se ne team ne da ho a kono last season team a boy no ohun sometimes say who ye team a ye mfa politics any emotions enye team said ye me madwene ye me ni sha ne ma ye mfa no nye team enu ntina me ye critical about what the management are doing no wakofa players aba ebia unze wakofa player ba the first season here adaptation period after first season na fe na obe adapt because from baby or day ban dia bewuram no second season na fe dia wahunu bibia ntie honom no washa say dey ehunu team ni year or bobo no na understanding na ba between ono ne colleagues no wahun say we say no tie ekwan say ne fa so ye no eti no ebe take shape from the third season ko no say afe dia but after first season I also wapam na it doesn't help and a players ni bebre na emuso ahun say Africa na Kotoko boy no no ma bobi da na there be its first experience na anye ye no nke am omonto aso but they are sake omu nyina asa akofa a new crop of players esa de aba nti esa na sa team we di koma Jose Mourinho kra na obe struggle say obetimi e de ahyehye team no and one thing so say quick fix enye bad but in doing the quick fix na management we person omo kire no you go for the best, the creme de la creme. And to say, oh, yeah, the Fantino Perez way now, your money time. Now, the Pep Guardiola way of quick fix now, a Manchester City model. No? After just 2018, 2016, 17 season now, Pep Guardiola buy now. No? And I'll share the team, Nika Kreb, who say, my team ready, M1, my mim Jamu now, quite no more. And in going for the quick fix, no, Okofa, Kyle Walker, Damreno. The best right back in the Premier League, Kofa and buy. And Remo France, Kofa Benjamin Mendy. The best left back in the French league. Sam no Monaco acquired to the semi-finals of the UEFA Champions League. And Kofa and buy, Kofa Bernardo Silva. And also so team no matimi a breaking that monopoly. Now PSG team no I established our French league no it tells you about the quality and was our team no kofa no so no nearby and no nearby be run the team nim and no kofa Emerick Laporte on also so Sevilla team and no more I dominant the Europa League no kan no nearby from Bilbao not nearby be shame honum no besi akan e de ema o mo ntuti mu say o solidify nature no ma team no say wa boba bia pampe but in doing so ni pon wan saki old players no so oh sure manim honum a eye ni old guards na oju o mo bo ho na na ebo ntu fra Fernandinho experience or wo mache obehwe Kevin De Bruyne experience o mache obehwe Raheem Sterling experience o mache obehwe Aguero experience and sometimes in doing the quick fix and no kire say two players now winning na to good there be and the management na media so work kese na ho a yemfa emo wo mo. It's not about the coach, it is not about the players but the management.
And oka say about management na ye ba down to asema coaches ne kan oyo obi a wanti asema coach ne kan na yenti tiba na afiadi hu nkomo enti watie coach na asem watie asema waka de fa Kumasi Asante Kotoko say Champions League na mpanimfo say upgrade nti omo kobo omo fa na ba no ono no hu say Kotoko team no Confederations Cup na yo omo level de si omo ba Confederations Cup na ba besi akan and Ben wo hwe ensema coach yi kan say Kotoko nyo level any Champions League no level any Confederations Cup yi asemi wa ne Canada nkakra ba kan no kre coach ya semi over ne say
well Ricardo me say kurum ha on ade a den pa say obe kanokra kire nipa enu na nipa bi no no omompe no yes kanokra kire damfo ense damfo agro me Champions League draw ne bae no I am one person and me catch you say Kotoko na ye boy homra ne ye Kotoko ye so che to ano won so che to a ba bia wo men to a in recent years and in recent history CAF tournaments aye bo kurum hanom no can e bi ne bo CAF Cup ne bo the Cup Winners' Cup and ne bo Confederations Cup ye bo the CAF Champions League ye bo the CAF Super Cup so 5 trophies we nya to a team na GB pen Kotoko agi the on 2 occasions and no magie but now man for disrespect to our team no oh ye team no ye Africa me no ye so your supporters me say Kotoko ene on the continent of Africa Saudi ko Europe me de omba tutu team ti say Benfica mo un say Benfica
they want for mu ka too much
oh that be Benfica and even crano metimi di na ba former do be Ajax until say un say Ajax a boss semi-finals last season you'll be a surprise but Ajax a 4-time champions of the UEFA Champions League. When was the last time Ajax said oh Rema Babebo I qualify even from the group akonanim Ajax squad you say 95 year I'm fan Benfica 62 I want na Benfica I'm not strong sana Kotoko team na ba bedru no cry ni pampese e beti okurum ha no and then so na ekele Asante Kotoko no coach no waka no cry wo ma no waka no because Ricardo offer a 12 Sahel ma they've been consistent in the Champions League they be omoba teams omo ko mani mekogine they be omoba Kotoko kan na tipen for elali mo abra Kotoko eje ne Champions League tosu mienu na elali nyi o na elali age ba akopɛ because 82 na elali share omo je na omo so beje 83 nti Kotoko je mienu na elali wo ba ako and elali twam 8 it tells you that ya catchre for the last 20 years at the Airbano. Yansha said the group stage of the Champions League Kotoko Uramudu was saying Bakope. That was in 2006. And a Kotoko Timi Rem. And even at that time of Rem in 2006, no, check the squad and never honor. Those were the days and now Benya Michael Osei Emba Pawamo. Ubenya Nana Hinduamo. Ubenya Godfrey Yabu TV Tremo. Aziz Ansamo. Michael Asante. Those days, you check the quality and almost no the and say no about just one season you put them together. Opa ko back work 2002 sa squad no. Bon say Emba Power Bobby. Bon say Abranti FN Nana Hindua na no bo nipa Bobby. TV3 Bobby, Aziz Ansam Bobby. Osebo team Joseph Henrich mo. It tells you say Samre no continuity by but untimi nkonko da na unsore nka say one day matime ni maso daye menye sikani bi abam na beye executive board chairman enti no or the me kwa akwaje ya nya ne saa. Sometimes you must respect your opponents, know where you are standing, no set a realistic target. And kanya ni say Kotoko for disappointed. some set a realistic target say ye be chance here for the Confederations Cup and kakra near the air build the koye nima menye sure say nka we kotoko supporter I'll be disappointed into Kadu like the coach rightly said e no an waka no the hard truth no waka no opa on me say yen stretchy argument no emfri kotoko yen fan ko West Africa yeti pemfo a ye chance ye ne no mo ebo where are stationary stores omo way Nigeria okọ omo way Shooting Stars of Ibadan omo way they are all missing. And then it is not about menakani binam here you. Where is Accra House of Folk? Omo bo omo home run the Continental Club Masters. Omo way. Oh, where is Asek Mimosa? Where is African Sports? Omo way. Where are they? You who omo? It is not because omo you big team. So you are a big team, but and then the modern trends of football. If you are not following it, obeka chiri. And then no na Asante Kotoko ya ka chiri ntie nei no. Si epese saba na redeem your glory days no na those days na ye sha say ye bo na da bia ye kona. I like baby o ma sha say no consistently ye nwram ne enkobo but ye ko a ye hunu say ye team no ya ho odin nie enti hanom ne bekoso na ya de ya build de akọ so o sha say na da bia wo ko with the target say me kwa akọji a wo wi a wo be ba no asa be sake no aba no abesake enti da bia no project no wo build a no abegu no o build a no abegu no. I am not saying it's a sacking of coach sacking of coach but say sacking coach now at least in terms of the playing body there there was a consistency bahonum across folk before some kwaji 2000 no obekaya CK Afrane ebe coachi o mu bi e di free onum no mo de sacking o mo samadenum nyina ye bia e build ya from 95 no e dey ba no e no mo de hye team na until say 2000 Jones atoko efiu ebe fight dom kwaje Champions League. No sacking of coach there, I'm not against it. But in terms of players, Nejina will see a kind of there. At least majority of them are omu team ni match. Said they be oma bomb that understanding no honum. And no bet me at the boy clubs no moving forward. It is not always about me na meso, me na see match. You see match, and no ne ene. And no na me e bre no. Enti say o hwe pani anim na o kan se match re, o kan no kra kire na o se oh yeah, but it is not always about the number of years you've spent. It is about how good you plan. And in your papa or the bed, you better to acquire between your boy and there. It is the hard truth to know coach. No, I can't get you on about do say coach no so no creating your money. That was not the platform. Also, they can say much as many years I say they all can hear no creno. The platform no used to the cancer it was bad. Because you don't say Sasem at a time a team na akolusu and at this time when we are signing na odi team na nim de om koye enti adan na wo kro no na wonim sa niema we nyina wani kan anka ama supporters na anti na we raise man for expectations that is where I mean disappointment ewo eno de Zacharias wanya de ni so kan sa at that time obetwen ama pain ni na ba from no aba no aba explaining niema de akere supporters no supporters on omo to say ma ye ma ya ye no omo nam ya sa no omo te omo say nya ma ya how a woni ne bekasa no how a be krokro no eno na be ma na ni age wo hu sa enti no ka ba ye no ka ewie ye na no wo bekasa very apologetic ye kono ne anim say ye kono yakofa win na babat niema nko yi ama ye enti no echitafo mo fa nchen next time bia no ye ba confederation mo ma support yen ye betimi ayeden akoyenim tinka wo ye sa wie na confederation na sha ase na ekoye no na wo de sa wie na ayeden atunu mo mate ase enti Zacharias mesre no next time bia ne kasa no ma ne mra from but it all boils down to management. So high will be a PR is very important. The sort of communication about your team. And to the coach, no more fun on what was the orientation among the man. How are the casa or Casawa Bontin? How did you manage it? Who's those near money? How are your communication department? No, Muna was managing all those in seminal. And in 70 be all crying and coach in the kind. Bet me I can't Bontin. But Mujani San as a coach, the man for guidelines because in your press conference, no, or can't ask them. It was with the Semtroni or can't ask them the chair. No, it is a coach. Mamma Natia says a coach. you are the coach, but any official platform don't speak me sure say coach no obekwa akokasa ama no nyina coaches kasa de bia eti oli Ghana mo kasa but abe no what say oli Ghana so je ko shia nsem training bi odem no ni di nkomo on tape ye benya say line nsem true form ni e be di nkomo Zinedine Zidane Madrid rumors be breba but tu benya na press conference ase no aba no address press conference no the hard questions ni nyina mabusa no express it. And you know they should look at all those aspects and make sure say moving forward they no na betimi e dey abo Asante Kotoko team.
Coach nim say Kotoko level Confederations Cup empanifo buy no almost say be foul near the Akobɔ CAF Champions League adena at that sport to catch them say da asem no mo kan no enya asem papa because Kotoko no mo say Akobɔ Champions League no ye Champions League club enti mudimi nka say upgrade enti ene mo mfa mo coach na be ball Confederations Cup na watemo ba mo Confederations Cup
Ricardo sa Zacharias yon so ni baby ofri buy Ashanti good o tin say ma champion kan fa ne ho
champion kan Kotoko fo ne so onya na say
na make us say champion catch him say coach no buy no obesre ne pa adwuma o obepa ne cho say o pa adwuma na ne yere enyem sika ni ho ni ade ni na is on record champion kan nyem nam kan eno na man ne fa ne ba as good ni nti no ama ne contract as coach nti wo hwe ya oyi Tanasayevic Eddie be share onom no ama ne contract bia odne ye adwuma keke champion kan sa say coach no onye coach eye ne ho kire no ense me na me ho kire me na se waba wo hu na adwuma oye wa Ashanti Gold na wo wonim se wo ankasa me say Kotoko company fo na atena so wo mokoko ma wo beji atum se team na na o ma hyehye no o munim se nye Champions League standard because wo mo champion confederation we na wo best players wo nton o mo nko Kwame Bonsu Kwame Conte o mo nton ni nko Tunisia Esperance no ko e no o mo na eto a na rubbish shoulders enti na tells you say baby a wo players papa no ton o mo di ko Tunisia onu o mo na e kwa akopre ehonum na wo se ehwe Champions League no cran it is not always it is not only a to na na ebo only Esperance mo nya na ebo what on wo player papa na come Esperance na oji social wo be yo den enti standard na ndru ho waji atum say Esperance mo so cheo enti na wo players papa no be ton o mo de ama mo no ye ni anum na Kotoko forma Yakuba say onko Sudan no ne El Hilal Omdurman enko sign contract Zesco mu na maybe o mu na he for nya Africa ya na wo ton players de ma we mu a onu on bebo dabi enti no sane ma ne de true but coach no no opa adwuma and indeed opa adwuma ne de obeje to me I will not blame the coach I will blame whoever of us our coach no because I also kofa coach or ye Champions League winning coach it is not Zacharias what is his record on no dey why in football obeje tier 2 and tier 1 no obi abadru ba bia yi ni free hold ni be shey mu no enu nti no we up to the level I am kofa no make coach Kotoko no enti no some management no mo no ya appointing authorities no enye de obi benya free mu nti no okwa akofa coach na mementi ase se wo sakisi ka ono age tier 1 na kofa de oje tier 2 dia masa Champions League asem ye kan it is not confederation nye gala enye top 2 ene ebebo G8 na ebo no kroma ne bi wu yen share those days na me say Kotoko ye big na mo eje tournaments no look at the coaches are no mo de omko Kotoko timi ko no akofa Middendorp etimi ko coach Hanover otimi ko South Africa mu no coach teams akese bebre Middendorp ye nim no Ian Porterford mu ye nim mo dwuma a maye coach ya oba ya no so pa Abenkwan sent in the events Hans Dieter Smith the don ball confederation final no
coach Abenkwan
yes those times you who are brofo coaches papa na don ba kuruma ba share in the last 5 6 7 8 years at the urban share the kind of coaches that Kotoko appointed Kotoko appointed Ebomens
yeah
Ebomens before coming to Kotoko or your coach papa ben no afie we no akwa coach ya efe no Maso Kwadu Kotoko no be building ni CV after Kotoko bra papa ben na Maso Kwadu abo in football won mo de yan kan no krenchire ye say kan no krenchire damfo en say damfo agro Didi Dramani before coming to Kotoko no coaching ma under 17 ma oba Kotoko ye successful all right but the level no or ye Africa coach and coach at the continental trophy no. And the Apasia ye funny core continent no so bibidia. We must start making the right appointments near bar and near me bebo one moment me the year Jumano Ricardo yem fama wo musa near mano na me sure say ye betimi aboa yen clubs ne wokurumanum no but there be our matrama kwe dia matrama resource na abenya because who ye bi ahwe oh mama nye bi we mama mfama ne hwe so obetimi a okono antimi a no afa ne saa no aba no abetena fie ni esu there be ani akoni aba beboka saa ntino saa ne man no so amohwe say your project na wo build ya unu say si anu ye pese kwaji Africa yempe coach a ye ginidi ye nim say all the experience in the long term first season of Filia be na to aso hwe Accra folk and Tugbe afede omo hunu say Tugbe bae yan kind the number of coaches awasake Tugbe bae or before say Tugbe fa na pa kwesi Fabin enne wo ho pa kwesi Fabin koi omo ko fa coaches bebre by in recent times kura na me nkoma chi bebra Kanichi Ashuashi aba Duncan aba coach Beneje na mukakra as interim Ediansa enso ye interim Polo aba Wellington aba Koya onso ba amso oton players Frank Luta onso aba eko but na omotena ase na omahu se no ye hia coach a obetimi ama ye project nienko to this direction no mo ama Kim Grant so on say Accra so folk yen share competition bi aso but tutu say science na eba na e dey positive enu che say wa sha say all build bibi so mo man time no to aso a obetimi dey akọ at least all build players no ba enti ho na was kotokofo ya dey ehwe sa na man nso edi free it is not always about yenkofo bi mra oh ya ti say coach ya ba be ye bibi papa ba ko ha yenkofa ne mra masa and the football no yenye nsa oh yeah now the plan papa e dey atu akwam now dey aye ba say ukofo bia kekese obia se or the Zacharias masa basa ba bia kotoko adru no nye Zacharias nsem eti whoever will mute that idea no they should bow down their heads in shame eni kwan so bia beka coach asem we are management member na so kan coach asem a you should sack yourself before you talk about the coach
enti na ye feel kotoko ne abia ya ba Evrem Gandhi no omo ka se coach no odi no se fatase pam no ono mo ya adwen
oh unse o hwe me nsem a meka ni nyina di kosi se coach ne die no kure ni nyame animu ni onye coach e also coach kotoko onye the level of kotoko there be na mmom no the appointing authority wo a wo kofa asa coach ne de ne ba se o me lead kotoko no won so wadi kotoko abro edi asanteman hwamo enti si ye ja coach ne kwan dia na se wo sa pani no won so no wanye adwuma pa ama yen because ne o coach bia ode bo Confederations Cup after 9 years ne nwura group stages da ode kotoko rem wo se sa coach ne nya ade we na ya ade na se we aba no aba be fail na wo pam ne dia masa na so sake ho ya do sa amre na wo say people must stand up no so take responsibility for their actions say me na me take decision way it is not always about sacking management we nko aba yi mo sha say free micro say mo sake no okofa Luga Roses bai o sake Luga e ma Luga koe okofa ablodi besom kakra Frimpong Manso so besom kakra we mu nko say 4 coaches e no medical abo mu din okofa Steve Polak bai na say 5 e na onso so besuso mu after one attempt wapa no nso ko pa kwesi Fabin e bai no nso abe the 6 coach no nso so bai within some short time disagreement no ma ya no nso so afiri no ko CK by 7 8 within 3 years what serious club no me yes aniema we enti we your management member na wo this answer munu na masa o se nso so ye ka bibi kirew enye da bia na ye be sake coach mo fa coach a mo nkope coach papa e say Zacharias wo contract till 2022 3 years contract nti wo sake na o check ni sika na o di ni nyina ama no no wakọ enti se wo sake no na wo be man compensation am na akọ no you have woefully caused financial loss to the institution Asante Kotoko enti masa me de me gitum se Zacharias ne modern no onye Asante Kotoko level but the appointing authority must also take responsibility no mo so nya honorable enough no mo kan che se ya ye adwuma ne bi masa be ma be ye bi wa ma me ni nyina enti no we stand together we fought together. Collective responsibility. And yes, sir, coach Nene Enko, yeah, man, me sacrifice an individual. And yet, the whole institution in Yania feeling. As management, we are sacking the coach, we are sacking ourselves. Young called the Egyptian president, no, that FA president, no, ni way ni be. After that failure, no, munya or the AFCON nano, or say massa, me the Majuma to ho, coach, me you a D. Intim penny funds will take responsibility, Neja, Ubi uncle.
Into your company, now, dear Nimuzian go faculty Zacharias and Bra, all Pamona announce or resign honorably because me and ye sons and Semana for Hundi, San City, Yeba, Ibrahim Gandhi and so, and yet a cabin Jim. Ibrahim Gandhi to a bit Juma Magana Bagana any day. When I am blast as a fat Eddie Ayajuma, Kakrabi on Ibrahim Gandhi and so
Abraham are funny, but women times Abraham are funny, no. The days now, the way coach blasters ne trim. Abraham, we don't need those things at this time. But Abraham so bekasa because they know what's not say he feels that Ghana we don't have a coach.
Your coach goes up here.
Why? Because is he a coach?
I saw a blast of one day coach.
And I'm saying, hey, who say the man in the situation on Kusiapia? Or Tihonom, not because of his competence, not based on footballing reasons, but purely on political grounds. And the man is dangerous. National team Biana, yeah, the politics and the fuck coach, you know, and in a matter baby, and the Bema Avram, the all kind. Say about Koye na Avram Tinase, no boom compo Henechi, and then a brow babo Ghana Hanum, the Jumo Babaye. Avram, under Avram, yeah, the man saw the ball AFCON final Bako. But AFCON final and yet achievement in the history of Ghana football. Yeah, born nine.
Or Sansi or the semi-final tournament Biokoibia, Jono or Henry Newmo, Henry Mo, Ghana or they can't once more.
Ricardo, and some news and some nursery. A laughable, Biobaka say, Avram Bagana Biano, none performance no Subiano, Mr. Sinipako, who then Pako Nimbom or Nim Ghana football in history. Baby, a free bano. Eh? Young fat. The recent history of Ghana, your football from 2006 a day ban. You qualify for a first World Cup, the free on mobile. That time they ben yaf kwa could be a boy semi final that your boy final that. And yet Avram the baby be one be a and your man uncle any moon say Avram befa a team in 2015. What me the Aquaco bought the finals, and that final cry was very disastrous and very disappointing on the part of the coach. Only did two penalties, and you have your best penalty taker. Say, yeah, trying to call ball last hour. Now, as a coach, which now mama inexperienced player say Bugu. What did he do? Then what me the Sam ready him say yeah ball tournament in your penalty one boy was the da you. Only did two now no man me ball. Man him run on my ball no for confidence in Sanya day. And I was one chain on my ball last hour. And the idea yani free and some it is what about finance. What we expect is the next year no you build on your success now chalky you know. Now they are going. What did Avram do at the next AFCON no? Semi-finals now they are a free. And on that score he didn't perform. And Opa yen share qualifiers a boy from the World Cup qualifiers. World Cup qualifiers for 2018. A year as a result of Avram or no one kasa ne tactical ineptitude. And I'm young Koyan. Where Ghana national team ni bedru baby man be say aben kofo bi no majapade entino obi ti say ajiman bedu bebe to or dakro nim say be man call up asamoja nim say me dakra be man call up the day you nim say me dakra be man call up plus bebre afri akwamo onim say eden be man call up enti say ye hu say international break ba pe satam sem trofo unya nte hwi o ba otimi ye Ghana call up ne de ba ebe ba nso net them players ben nobody discover them ayin because coach dey ukwa o legacies ni be say oh oba no dey discover player we di mai kwesi apia nei mimi gitum say ne modern monso ani tactically or ye bankrupt wasa but unim say u crucial himself ye wo atubi wo hono ma Christian atubi wo hono ma no oni ye nim no eye kwesi apia ne cost scouting ni yi ni bae se player bi big team now man in the debut on discover you Patebo Atletico Madrid now friend ba on discover no derby obo Atletico Madrid there bo week out one friend and no chance what discover player on discover obi a but hwekwan a kwesi apia timi fa so akoyi atwede ne brɛ even Thomas Japan ekwan ba bia otini na ma akoyi Thomas Japan sa ne ba ma yehu se Ghana or winger be a friend Thomas Japan. Those are the near my the Bema Kwesiapia. But to Avrama, who are the players Abaka or Diom Bray? Yeah, because 2018 World Cup. It was Avram Neshas. Your first match, and then Kawasi team win one against Uganda. Uganda near the board draw. You struggle to get a draw against Uganda. Those were the things. Near struggle, see an Egypt Bebo, Egypt Bogana 2-0 near. Enti dan nneɛma ha Abraham ba bɛyɛ no kuroma ne deɛ yɛsrɛ no wawu a ɔmo na ninka na menam yɛnim sɛ ofiri Ghana no kɔ India hɔ no ma amfa ama no za North East FC na ɛsɛ Yasamoja ankɔ no ɛhɔ Abraham kɔ ne nam hɔ bia amfa ɛna ne waba ɔbɛtena fie ɔte kuroma no he didn't value the job na no wɔyɛ no unse we coach at least bibi ni a ma yɛhu sɛ adwuma na wɔyɛ no wo buo bi ɛwɔ dɔ bi de ma adwuma na wɔyɛ no. But one shows how dono management na woye no enti ube ha league ko so okrom anom no at Sky Sports no ye panditry onom and there na eye me ya e annoy me cry say as Sky Sports no who say ye ntro head coach Ghana national team ye try no former Chelsea former Portsmouth manager he didn't value the job na no woye no he had no respect for your local league no enti ye bebo league okrom anom na se ye ko tournament ni etimi nya just a single goalkeeper and the ne kwa akoda go mu a onumpo no okwa okotena bench onkonko bobia it tells you papa na dwuma na no woye no na nya dwuma ye dwuma se obebo Ghana football no enti de Avram die whoever obeka se yemfa Avram ra kroma bia no na oni o man ho do anase Ghana football ne na nakoma so megitum se Ghana enei no your coaching crisis pa because se kosi apia timi tina ho ka se yempam na assistance ne ma ne tina ho a na Ghana ya ba fom but Avram de yesre no on fana sam ne ntwene ba bi kakrama yen what is his age and Avram odi mfie sen Avram is over 60 years Avram wa yemre ogina okro bi say Avram pa ne modern trend of coaching tactics ni ade no Avram wa chire
Oscar Tabares mom coach Uruguay national team
how many years now Oscar Tabares or that na Uruguay what watch it he's still on the job or yeah adwuma osua de
crutches ni now
but unse ogusu a or yeah adwuma no onkot na afie o the only difference ne say Oscar Tabares mo yenyi na di ma ne nkot na afie but wo de no tifie ne yekofa waba on the difference ne wo no say Oscar Tabares atifie a menya sure say with at this present state ombenya sa ayi say yekofa Oscar Tabares na ba no and that is the difference between ononi Avram adwuma na oba ben Avram yes Rena even in his prime as a coach no achievement papa ben otimi ye man ho odi Chelsea ball finance ewie ye de bra papa ben otimi de one boy nti yes Rena Avram wawu a o man na kan mra me say Israel kra no mo crisis mu Israel national team tifie na Beni amoni ade etwi for mo so ti ye ne e say onko no nko boa ni Israel man no me sure say beboa
entene aha na ye de eye asemi di kan enso beti ye ba sabe asem ni sitie no ne ye beka and expect say more beba ye nyanya ya gin say ye magana football na gu and them ne de crusade da bia ye beba because ensem ni wo ha isi okurumu ase ye nsini pi na ya nka e be say ye Ghana football ti ye kono ye kono the crusade last words na ve ye nko
oh me last words American say utie nsem na nsem ni bi ono ma e bia they should expect more because e bi ono ma no be shikura che say and memo mo mfa ne se e bia ye tan obi ye ntan obi a ye nyehwi obi a honom journalists our first loyalty is to the citizens and one thing about journalism is about reporting the truth and to say no kranko ade a ne be hati obi a they should brace themselves say ye beka no say de etie na no na ni nyina ye ka no ye wi na maka cho say papa so apa ne ngoma so no enye nanum ode na emom ni yie mu ntira and still for the love of the game.
Jeneha, any juma de business name say on subscribe to the channel. Make sure so subscribe. No notification bell so that be more ba. Won su benya bia when say there. Ye be yam ye Ghana football na tumpon. Ye be ball machi. na bibia enso yen cameraman ne Jones Afran the Menga man where we was here mu no nanim a wotwa video na menim so no bi want to carry about and ha na di asem bi di kan bi nyampa e beto aso ne de more enso aba